Hello everyone, welcome to amazing sunshine Portugal. Sao Joaninho, of course. So you're already seeing the house. As you can see now, I speak a little bit more far away, and you can see a little bit more behind me. So the house is still ongoing. I don't have much to tell you. What I have to tell you is about the big storm that we had. And I had a lot of metal sheets like this. They flew away very far away, and that's what I wanted to show you, how things went crazy. Beside these metal sheets, we also have a lot of oranges everywhere because nobody is taking them. So just look at this. Look how many oranges everywhere, everywhere. But still, the problem with metal sheets, they just flew away from top of this, flew away everywhere. It was very bad. The good thing is that things are coming full with life because spring is here. Yes. So my mother last time put some lettuce here, and look at the lettuce. It's coming amazingly. And we have here also some tomatoes. The tomatoes are coming. And she put some strawberries. I think it's this here. She put here some strawberries that are coming too. But the lettuce is amazing. Amazing, amazing. So here's another problem with the sheets that flew away from there. They even went until here. Metal sheets. It was incredible. A big, huge storm. And just look at the oranges. Of course, we still have a lot, but a lot of them fell due to the wind, and it's a big waste. I'm very sad with seeing all of this. A lot of oranges everywhere. Well, but the trees are amazing. Look at the loquat. The loquat are coming. I'm going to have a lot of loquat. This is a plum tree. Look how green it is. Incredible. The last fig tree I planted, and it's coming right here. Right here. This is for marmalade. For marmalade, there's some I don't know the fruit. Here is a peach tree. Another fig tree here. This is a special tree one day I will tell you about. Here is a plum tree. George and me, we planted it. And this is a very beautiful tree. Has these wonderful fruits. And look all my pine trees. This one was fell over. I'm trying to recover it. So let's see how I'll do it. So this one was dead. I had to put another one. Here is a dead one, and I put another cherry, white cherries. They are also coming. They are coming. So it's looking good, huh? Here I need to fix a little bit this one, but all of them are looking good. And small flowers are coming on all of them. All the trees are coming. This one is still sleeping. She will come to life. But it's beautiful. Look at this. So beautiful. Look how amazing this is. How amazing. This one is coming to life. It's another cherry tree coming to life. Here's a tangerine tree. This is another cherry tree. I like cherries, yes, you can tell, right? Avocado tree, look at her. Woo! Going up and away. This is a hazelnut tree. This is another different type of peach tree. This one is still sleeping. I think it's apple. Or no, it's coming slowly, but it's coming. This is a lime tree. Plum tree. This is peach or another plum, different kind of plum, and it's coming now. And this one looks amazing. Look at these beautiful flowers everywhere. Beautiful flowers. Such amazing gift that I have here with my trees. This is a chestnut tree, not yet ready to come. Peach tree, the flowers already fell. This will be one of the first ones to have peaches. And this one is just coming now. Amazing. This is another tree we call Diospiro. I don't know the name in English for now. Here's another type of peach tree. And these big ones are chestnuts, nuts. And this one is already coming beautifully. And it's looking great. Look at this. This one is coming. This is apple tree. This one I know, apple tree. This one is coming very soon. You can see it's coming very soon. And this was my last job. Look how amazing it is. And here are some vines for grapes. Also coming. The grapes are coming. So here is a tangerine tree. Very old. This is more than 100 years according to what people told me. You can see by the trunk how old she is. Here is another one, looking good. This one I planted the other